Here's a couple tricks for pgAdmin. I'm using version 1.20 on Windows 7 against Postgres 9.3 database, but it should work on other versions. Okay, the first one is you can select the statement you want to run in the query window. So if I just run this thing, it'll run all three statements. But if you just want to run one statement, then you can select it and then run that as many times as you want. Okay, the next one is copying and pasting into Excel. You can do Control-A, Control-C on your results window. Paste it into Excel. It doesn't look right because it's got the semicolon separator. But if you go to your non-query window, File, Options, Query Tool, Results Grid, Result Copy Field Separator, change that to Tab. Then you get a nice column separation in Excel. Okay, another one is don't use File, Open PostgresConf. It never seems to work. But if you use Tools, Server Config, PostgresConf, that'll work for your configuration changes. You can also navigate with the keyboard. So I'm looking for shared libraries. So I'm using the S key. Okay, so shared preload libraries. In Windows, there is a debugger for PL pgSQL. I'm not sure if there's one in Linux, but there might be as well. So in Windows, set that to enabled. Change the value to libdir plugin debugger DLL. Okay, save your changes. Okay, you also need to restart the server and pgAdmin as well. So I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so I restarted the database server and pgAdmin. So then you want to run pldbg API. That'll install the extension for debugging. And then if you create a function in pl-pgSQL, okay, so it's added a bunch of these debugger functions. And here's the function I just added. After you've restarted pgAdmin, there'll be a debugging option in the menu. And then we can debug our function. So it's a step over, step into, breakpoints. Okay, and you can look at the output here. So I is 1, which I set up here. And then if I step over, I is 2. Okay, so that can be useful for debugging any kind of functions you have in pl-pgSQL. That's it for now. Thanks a bunch.